Hi, welcome Gmail learners. Today we are going to see how we can enable email templates in Gmail. You don't want to type a lot, so you can get the email ready. You just change few things and send the email. Like if there is an onboarded employee and you want to send a welcome email with instructions, you can do it in few seconds. So you can set the template, save the template. You click on compose, select the template and send it. So by default Gmail doesn't have that option enabled, so you need to enable it like that. Okay, so first of all you need to go to the settings icon here, go all settings, see all settings, and then advanced. Here you have templates to enable. Okay, let's enable it, save it. So for an example, I am copying a template. Okay, so to save it, you need to go to compose first, pasting it. So this will be our template, and subject will be the company name. So you can set the subject to my company or whatever your company is, and then you click here. You will find the templates and save as a new template. Okay, you can name it for the template, save it. So yeah, it's saved. So next time you want to send an email, go here, templates, and select the templates. The writing will be here. It's very easy and it's less time consuming to have multiple templates in your Google workspace. It's very useful. Thank you.